Welcome back to the channel. So today it's another 2026 M340i, the G20.3 finished in Dravit Grey. So up front, our dual headlight design. We have shadow lights and a cornering light, and I do like these daytime lights. They're relatively unique across the lineup. I think the X1 comes a little bit close to it, but otherwise this really identifies the 3 Series. Grille is blacked out. Now, that can be Shellline Package or M Sport Pro, depending on what they're calling it. It's a honeycomb grille. You can see the parking assistance camera in between the 2 grills. Down below, the sensor there for Driving Assistance Pro. And of note, you do not get highway assistance on the G20. Moving over the side, style 995Ms bicolor. You have floating center caps and the red M Sport calipers. And you note the M badge there in black on the fender. So that's part of the Black Emblems package you can get as a port installed accessory for your M340i and a few other of the M Performance variants. Let's make our way to the back, where we have our gurney flap in high gloss black. We got that M340i badging in black. Down below, dual exhaust with our high gloss black diffuser. There's that rear 3/4 view. And then Dravit Grey out of the sun. I think a medium dark gray on this side. And then with a flaking, you see different hues of gray, even some gold and green colors sometimes coming out. Let's make our way inside, go over pricing and options. So we have the Decor red perforated Sensitech, an included option for the upholstery. Door card upper portion in plastic or synthetic material, and then of course some more synthetic material in Decor red Sensitech. You see galvanic controls. Lower portion door card, scratchy black plastic. We got our standard seats on the M340i and basically the G20 for the US market. Pretty well bolstered and comfortable seat. Down below, adjustments here just for the lumbar support. So if you want side bolster adjustment, you do have to get leather. And manually powered crumb catcher, and then M badging here on the doorsill. So in front of me, your standard M Sport steering wheel on the 3 Series. So flat bottom, it's got M badging, even has M stitching. Left-hand side controls for assisted driving and cruise control. And you got your shift paddles. And then of course, airbag cover in plastic. Red stripe at 12 o'clock. In front of me, I drive 8.5 live cockpit. Head-up display. The rest of the curved display here. And this one has a Sensitech dashboard, so more synthetic material, but this has a stitching effect here. And trim here is the aluminum rhombus anthracite trim, leading to your vent controls. Then more of the trim here in the center console area. And then you got your cup holders, 12-volt socket, USB-A port, and wireless charging tray. And this one also has the glass controls, new for 2026. So start stop button, drive selector nub, and iDrive controller knob all in glass or crystal. Starting price, the 2026 M340i is $61,700, paint's another $1,500. Sensitech included, and then Driving Assistance Pro for $1,700, and then Shellline Package for the $600. Parking Assistance Package for $800 does include the drive recorder. Then Premium Package for $1,550. Adaptive M suspension for $550. Then glass controls for $650. Sensitech dashboard for another $350. And then galvanic controls for $100. Everything else included to get down to the luggage compartment mat wheel locks, Black Emblems, floating center caps, and performance floor mats. All told, MSRP of this particular example, $71,660. And your standard moonroof on the 3 Series. And out back, you do have comfort access on the rear doors. Then over it more of that Decor red, I think goes really well against Dravit Grey. And here's a view of the cockpit in the back seat. Then out back, vent controls, and then climate control console and 2 USB-C charging ports. Knee legroom, pretty good. And headroom, not bad either. All right, so move to the back. There is kicked open on the G20. And here's the cargo area. And that Luggage compartment mats, and of course you also fold down the rear seats for even more cargo room. Power tailgate, standard on the M340i in the US market. Let's make our way to the front and pop the hood. We take in more of this Dravit Grey. That bronze goldish flaking in the paint. All right, so here's the B50 inline-6 3-liter turbo engine with a mild hybrid. So 386 horsepower, 398 torques. So plenty of power on this M Performance variant of the G20. And production runs through, I think it's October of 2026, and then gets replaced by the G50. And that's it. We'll see you at the next video.